Tesla in weekly chart, it seems like we have some problem. What is the problem? Do they impact our long-term plan? And what is going on with the short term? When is the good time to buy? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart. For the weekly chart, in my previous video, I also mentioned we have the yellow candle here. Basically, this is a risk. Okay, when the purple candle happens, this is the opportunity for us to buy, for example, here. Okay, so now the yellow candle disappear, and every time when they close below the yellow candle, this doesn't look good. For example, this candle, we did close below on 6th of October. This week candle, we did close below. Now we go back to this zone. Remember, the last yellow candle under my YMOBOS, the last yellow candle is our critical candle. When the highest price, okay, the highest price basically is a resistance. You see, we have been like 4 weeks under this highest price of the last yellow candle. And what is going on here? Here is our support. If they close below, basically it doesn't look good. At the same time, if they close below this red line, is not good. This is a weekly chart, okay? Last time we have the same movement. For example, here, they close below the yellow. At the same time, they drop below the red. And this one is a bit special. This one, the red also confirm is going down. So this one is like a triple confirmation to tell you this one is going down. This one, our good news is the red line, we are still going upward. Two bad news is we are under this red line, number one. Number two, the yellow disappeared, but it's not yet close below. Okay, so I give you one support, which is in this box is our support. So what is going on here? Okay, let me show you something. Our YM big buy, basically also to tell you the fund is going out a little bit. Okay? The institution holding is still healthy here, the YM cheapest. And now, what is the critical is our monthly chart. Everyone of my channel, everyone subscribe my channel, you understand I always talk about monthly chart to tell you where's the big opportunity. Previously, we follow this monthly chart for ages under this triangle because basically Tesla, we have only three area. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is also a triangle. Once we break through, we basically confirm we have a big valley like this, a big valley like this. Okay, now you look at the red. Red is going up. So basically, I told you monthly chart, we are still healthy. The money is still the same. Sorry, it's my cat. The money is still the same, but we may, this month, basically this candle, may, it's possible they come back to this support and go up again. Okay, so this month will be quite fluctuating. But if you look at the monthly pattern, we look very healthy. Okay, we look very healthy. Okay, so far we look good. We look good. And now we look back the date. So monthly chart, tick is going upward. Weekly chart, we will have some kind of pullback or correction here. They are still choosing the direction here. You see here, they're still inside this box. Once they get out, they will confirm the direction. And now we want to look at the daily chart. Daily chart, okay, now daily chart, what is going on? You can tell me. First thing, we are under this blue line, so it is quite weak. Okay, now look at the money because money can tell you the movement ahead. Okay, it can tell you what is going on next. So now we look at YM big buy first, big volume trade. You see basically the big money, they flash the red candle, this filter big volume. So they flash a red candle on 17th of September. Since that day, this purple line actually be going downward. And even on 1st of October, it's the highest price here, they continue to go down. You cannot see it without this indicator. You cannot see what's going on only with the price, only with the volume. You cannot because you don't know what is the big volume, big trader they're doing. You don't know what is the private equity, what are they doing. You don't know the institution, what they're doing. So basically, it doesn't look really, really healthy. No, but it's normal because it's a high. It is a high. It shows the yellow candle here. So you mean this is the high, this is the risk, so it's normal they pull back. How about institution holding? Institution holding since this is they enter the market, the institution buying, and basically since 23rd of April, this is going upward, and we have a purple line confirmation. The blue is still going upward, but the money from this top, from all the way up to going down a little bit. But do we need to significantly worry about that? We don't need to be worried because they still have a lot of holding here. So it's still good. Okay, another thing, if you want to learn how to exit, how to make a maximum profit, you may also look at YM cheapest because basically from this day, from 1st of October to 2nd of October. 2nd of October, you can see this is going down. So this basically means institution is going here, going away here. Okay? So this is something you need to notice. But going away doesn't mean they completely quit the market. Sometimes they need to wash out the individual in order to buy more. Okay? Sadly, we don't have that YM chip entry here yet. But remember, this indicator only shows the low buy. They buy only the low. Here, we are not the low. So you need to drop low more in order to fetch the YM chip entry. Okay? Now, what is a critical thing? What if you are very short-term investor? What if you just bought Tesla recently? I want to tell you what is going on tomorrow. Yesterday, we have a big candle here, up 2.28%. Everyone look happy because it's pretty big candle here. But I want to give you one bad news for the short-term investor. So the red line is going downward. You mean this is a pullback. And now we're going upward again. Okay, it look good. Free line going upward. So short-term, upward trend. Middle term, upward trend. Purple line, upward trend will look fantastic. But I want you to look at today's candle. So since this day, basically 17th of October, this line is going upward. And this 5 candle is staying above this red line. So we are completely fine. But today, they drop below. They're going to close below. So now down by 3.2%. We still have 2-3 hours to go. If they did not go up back, basically they will continue to go down. Why? Because the money, you look at the money is not catching up. The money is not catching up here. So the money is weak, okay? Instead of going upward, although they flash a green candle, but still is weak, it's under zero. And if you look at the institution holding, it's also weak because it's not above this purple line. Okay, is it clear? So I just want to give you a bit warmly. If you want to buy Tesla, if you want to be an investor for Tesla, today is not the good moment. And if you bought Tesla at the high, you have to click subscribe to my channel first because it's free. And you need to, not you need to, but you can consider to reduce here if you just bought recently. And you may consider to buy more later. But now we don't have confirmation to buy. Okay, I think we'll go like this. We'll go down again. So to confirm this is a ABC form. Okay, so this is the update today. For the long-term investor, you don't have a worry. You are still fine. So click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to have this indicator, you may click the description. I see you next video. Bye.